Welcome to the new series of Slime Rancher.
Slime Rancher.
Let's see, what are we gonna have our... Either the
Puddle.
honey or the... Okay, the pedal. Pedal works.
Do you want to do the regular adventure, or...?
Yeah.
Okay.
More casual, just not rush.
Just not rush.
Yeah.
A relaxed take on adventure. Are you gonna tell me if there's tartars surrounding... Alright. Tartar!
I love the music that's in this.
I do too. It's such a great soundtrack.
As it cuts out.
Oh yeah, because it actually...
The loading, I know.
Yeah. I don't know if our viewers will have to put up with something like that. Not sure.
Well, next time we'll load in when we're already in.
1,000 years... Light years away.
Away from Earth, planet known as the Far Far Range, Beatrix LeBlue begins her first day as a slime rancher.
Is it LeBlue or LeBlanc?
Whatever. Let's get moving. Jump is A.
There are only two? You're supposed... There we go.
How to back like a rancher.
Okay, none of those. I thought there were carrots over here too. Oh!
No, the pink slime are up there and the carrots are somewhere else.
Oh, right in front of my house. Hey,
Walked
Blitz.
right past them.
You guys weren't here a second ago?
You never want free roam slime.
Free range. Your brain mixed range and roam.
Well, no, I was gonna say free roam around your complex.
Oh yeah, no, you don't want that either.
You don't have any space.
Oh. What? Why did I...
So, plorts are slime poop.
Slime bloop! Bloop! Bloop bloop bloop! I got stuck on a rail.
Oh, I want you to switch through your tanks. There you go.
You all are my prisoners.
You don't have a big enough thing for them all to be your prisoners.
I will make it so there it is.
Pogo fruit?
Oh wow, we got a chest that early, huh?
Yeah, that one was always there. There's also another one behind you.
Whee! Rocks! I like rocks. Oh, it's chicken. Don't eat chicken.
Can't pick up the cube fruit.
I didn't need the cube fruit. I just didn't want the slime to eat it. You said there's one back here?
No, up there on that ledge there should be another box.
Whee! I was lied to!
Nope, it's an H thing.
Hello, Beatrix. My name is Howard Twigglers? I can read.
Rancher Explorer and
The former owner of this here ranch. You now call your own. Pleased to make your acquaintance. I was a rancher a few years ago that I can... for more years that I can remember. I suck. Please read for me.
and felt there was one last adventure left for me. I've set off to find just that. But before I go, I'm making one last tour around this here land I love. So keep your peepers peeled for more notes like these if you want to hear what an old coot has to say every now and again. Be talking to ya. H.
Carrots! Alright.
You can't hold any more of them in there.
Yeah.
You're just after quick and easy money, right?
Yeah. Just for a start, just so I can get some more corrals.
So make sure you get a chicken coop going, because I know you like the kitty cats.
Yeah, kitty cat. Eat!
No! It's fine. Oh no, because then they'll get jumbo-fied.
Yeah, and it'll be super easy for them to escape. Let's see here. Goop!
Capture the chickadoos.
You know what? Have the last pogo fruit.
Alright, it's one of the easier acquired.
Pogo fruit and carrots. Because carrots you can get with one rare vegetable. You back to slime. Whoops. It wants me to shoot out the slime, right? I did it! Can you go away now?
There's a chicken, there's a chicken. The peepers are behind you.
Oh, you want me to pick up the little chickies?
Of course.
Well, it's not like they actually eat chickies, they just eat chicken.
That's it, it's just the one chicken and the two chickadee. Wait, nope.
I knew it! I didn't even have the audio and I knew it! So for our viewers at home who just heard that, yeah, I am playing without my headset.
Now you gotta sell some plorts.
I just... I love you too, game. I hate starting games anew, but I love this game. It's so relaxing, tranquil, and cute. I have my sensitivity, like, off the freaking charts.
Can't get in there yet.
Yet.
That about covers the basics.
Yay!
Alright, well.
More! You leave that damn chicken run.
So the pink slimes eat everything.
Everything. Chicky! Except for the chickens. Again, they'll eat the chickens, but not the chickies. Oh. Get over here, carnivore.
You got it.
Yay! This is the earliest place that you have available to get the tabbies, otherwise you've got to go a bit into the quarry. Where'd you... They're also the bounciest at all the others.
So are we doing any hidden stuff yet or no?
We don't have the ability to.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
I swear I heard a chickadee.
Right there. They're up on that ledge.
Yep, which I can't do till I at least have a jetpack. Yay, the limits of having a stamina bar. Let's see here. They like... Oh, God, I can't remember what the rock slime's like. Oka Oka.
Is it Oka Oka?
I'm pretty sure.
I'm gonna look it up real quick.
Okay. Damn. Still not enough. Carefully sucking up plorts, trying not to get the slime. But I got the slimes anyways.
Heartbeat.
Oh, the heartbeat fruit?
Mm-hmm. Oh, they're vegetables. Are they
Oh
fruit?
yeah, they are vegetables, that's right. Cube berries are fruit.
It's getting close to nighttime.
Yeah, but you know me. I have no worry for
I
the
bet
night.
if you can jump.
Oh, do you want me to try and like slime jump?
No, I was gonna say I think you can jump over that ledge and get back, but I don't think you actually can. Not that one, the other one.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah, you can. It's a walk up.
Yeah, treasure pod. We'll worry about that later. Oh, the joys of having a controller.
Aww.
Well, you've got to learn eventually. Unfortunate. But it's what, midday now? No,
It's
noon.
early morning.
Woo! Don't eat my chicken! It's my chicken. Shorty, I said leave my chicken alone. And you guys can go start with them. I need to feed my own.
I think you have enough to start a garden after you sell those.
Oh yeah, that's right, I just lost the tabbies in the rock, so I don't need a corral. I won't worry about actually getting the nighttime exclusive slimes.
Not yet.
Yeah, not till we can get that, because then it's
That's
cheaper.
the lifesaver.
Yeah. So cheap. Right, I actually need to sell them. Oh, perfect timing. You guys are starting to get hungry.
And they're already on the Great Escape, looking for the chickens to eat.
You leave my damn chickens alone. My chickens didn't do nothing to you. Leave them alone. Blech.
Are you not going to go plort cleanup?
I mean, I can.
And maybe minimize how many of them are in there before your chickens become dinner?
Okay, I'll keep 15. Current capacity is what, 20? 25?
20.
Yep, 20.
So you need 6 left in your inventory for 15.
To your death, do you part. You also don't want free-range plorts.
Right? Because then you can get tartars.
Yep, because one slime will jump out, and say you made a jumbo. You guys need a lady. A dude. Y'all need a dude.
We need a roosteroo.
Good luck with that. Oh wait, I'm the one on control. Always accepting recommendations. So it looks like I have to go.
Yeah, we have to go into the quarry area.
Yeah. Now we don't have a choice. That's
Yeah,
right.
that'll happen if one eats 2.
Yeah, if one species eats another, then you'll get a jumbo. Or largo. I can't remember what the hell they're called. Kitty! Enjoy hell. You bastards ate them all.
Nope.
I feel it. I feel like I can.
I know where there is a rooster-roo, but I think it's a specified one.
Oh, you mean like the Stonies?
Yeah.
Damn it, get out of my inventory! You leave that roosteroo alone! It's mine! It's my property!
Hey, look, one of the H things. It's a Stony.
Whee!
I had a great big tree like this one.
Here, one along the edge of my property, back on Earth. It had been there before anyone could remember. It survived all kinds of change around it, and then one day I began to notice it was dying. It wasn't anything unnatural, it was just its time, I suppose. And then I realized that if I didn't do something, I'd end up like the tree. I spent my whole life in the same place. Wow. I wasn't gonna let that happen, so I bought a ticket for the Firefall Ranch the very next day. Wow. I just took a look at our recording time, and we're only 17 minutes?
Yeah.
Oof. Well, I guess for those at home that are gonna overanalyze everything, just under 17 minutes. Did I get it? I think I got it. Yeah, so this is a pink mixed with a rock.
Largo.
Yep, it is Largo.
It's
The
a pink rock Largo.
That's right. These guys are the Jumbos.
Gordos.
Gordos.
Which we need stony hens for that guy.
Unless you want to waste 50 regular chickens. No! You have rocks on your head. Leave me alone. I don't like that. You leave that chickie alone. There's another stony chick. What about you? Are you stony chick? You are stony chick. Oh my Largo! From Thora West. I suppose we should actually go inside our house and read those at some point. Now, chickens, obviously, they don't act like slime, but their physics do. They're very bouncy. What's the other word? Buoyant?
Elastic? Because buoyant is water.
Bloop. Bloop, bloop. Some of you full-grown hens are now dinner!
Ooh, a mission.
Thora West, help me out here and I'll make sure you get what's owed. Oh.
It's up on the screen.
Yeah, I forgot. 1 roosteroo and 6 regular chickens. If you don't go home, I'm gonna kill you.
Do we have 6 full-grown?
1, 2,
Ow.
3, 4, 5. I am not wasting the 1 rooster that we got.
Now we gotta go find another one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a way to give everybody a freaking headache.
Did I just give you a headache?
Yeah.
Oh, whoops. Sorry. Plort, 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 plort. Oh my plort.
Plorty plort plort plort.
You know what? I guess I could actually just suck a bunch of those up, can't I? I've got space in my inventory for the 1 roosteroo. Yeah, might as well get the free money, right? No. Sure. also like the rocks. The rocks remind me of my hairstyle when I was little. Spiky. You were hungry, but yet you're surrounded by food.
Alright, go home.
I still need a rooster root. Oh, sell plorts.
And then see how much time you actually have on that mission.
20 minutes. 20 minutes for us. 20 hours for in-game.
You now have enough to erect another pen.
Do I have enough for the net? No. Because you don't need the high wall unless you actually plan on making them Largos right away. You just need to focus on the net. And at this point, I'm really not worried if they cross over and hybridize. It will be annoying, but I'm not too worried about it. Oh, we got mods.
Yeah, we don't have enough money for them.
I think we got enough for one. What are we doing over there? Nope, you were right.
Oh, my thought was sleep. Because then you'll have rooster tomorrow.
I might have roosteroos.
I'm not reading all of that.
These are basically kind of corporate weirdos who stalk you all throughout the universe.
That's your friend.
Is it your friend? I thought it was your sister. I don't know. Welcome to Ranch Exchange. Oh, that's the missions.
You didn't sleep. Okay. Now go get yourself some chickens and some roosters.
Come on, get in there before you eat all my chickens. I got some old hens already. Oh, that is crap. That is crap. I saw him spawn right in front of us, and he... Oh, that is such crap.
I think you've got too many kitty cats.
Let's see here. How much time is left? 5? You think I can do it?
I do. I believe in you. You have the power of wrangling chickens.
That was a little over the top for me.
Okay, well now we got enough chickens. Let's go find a rooster.
We got one too many chickens. Jump. Jump. Oh, you already ate.
There's 2 roosters behind you. Oh, they ate the... Nope. Yay. Go back. Mission accomplished. Because now you have one for us and one for the mission.
That was annoying. We saw him spawn right in front of us, and he's just like, "Nah, I'm old now.
I'm sorry. I grew old of this.
I'm too old to make the babies." Now, they each have their own food difference. Just like us people, some prefer sugary fruits, whereas others prefer savory vegetables, and others prefer delectable protein, aka meat. Oh yeah, no. You are definitely not going in that direction. You can die. Right, I should actually hand in the mission. I'm gonna get 3 stony hens for it. Bloop. Yep, I'm a freaking genius. Ploop that in, ploop that in. Run, 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 run! Screw off. Eat the damn swords. Damn chickens. You can die. Oof.
You don't have the thing.
See, if you give them something to actually be happy about, such as other plorts to eat, or enough food in one spot, they will.
Jesus.
They
You might
will
want
go
to
nuts.
get high walls now. And figure out which set of those you're keeping.
Can I even afford high walls?
No, not on there.
No, I know what you meant on the corral. I mean, if you don't mind them being claustrophobic, you can even just do the air net still. I can afford it for 1. So, do I have a kitty cat?
No, they all ended up rock. And you have 2 kitty cats in there.
Well, that
3.
sucks. Ow. That is another good example of why you don't want free-range slimes. Because you can get hurt. No, you don't die and have to restart unless you have a whole personal vendetta about doing everything super hard. I say that because this game doesn't have a hardcore mode like some other games.
No, it does have challenges.
Kinda, yeah.
So you're gonna make rocky kitties, or?
I was gonna save the cats for the hunters.
We found out it was best to mix meat eaters and not meat eaters.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot.
Because trying to keep up with the demand of meat was just...
Yeah, no, not unless you're doing like a whole farm on the other one of the other plots as. It's just all chicken. So then also, what else was I gonna be saying? Oh yeah, certain species of slimes like specific fruits or vegetables. So the rocks, as we were talking about, they like the heartbeats. So if they eat a heartbeat, they'll drop 2 times as many plorts, plus they're fused. So if I were to drop in these 2 heartbeats that I do have with the current stone or rock pinks, I would get
double the rock and pink.
yeah, I'd get 2 pink and 2 rock. Did I just pass over another?
Yeah.
I did.
Or it got out. Looks like it got out.
Herbst. Not what I wanted to do. Nope. Not gonna do that. Now, just like regular stock.
I can get high walls on that next second one now.
Yeah, just like stock market, everything has a fluctuating price. The more you sell one particular thing, the lower its stock goes, the less you'll get for selling it.
So, in other words, you want to sell a variety.
Or you want to hold off on certain days because it uses an RNG to actually determine what day is going to have higher prices for different things. Vector Hamphyrus. Hamphyrus? I don't know. If possible, please acquire the following for future studies. My thanks. See here, 10 pinks, 9 tabs, 6 phosphors. Yeah, it's not that hard. Yeah, it's accomplishable in one day. I hope.
What do we gotta get? Phosphor?
Yep. 10 pinks, 9 tabs, and 5 phosphors. I don't want to carry it. Thank you. No tabbies over here this time.
You might want to drop something so you can get tabbies.
Skadoosh. Get over here, don't need anything? Haha, gotcha.
Oh, you got your pinks.
I'm not responsible for that. Don't know what you're talking about. I had no hand in making this.
I know absolutely nothing.
What up, Jumbo? Gordo.
Gordo.
Oh yeah, so then also following the aspect of everything liking and giving dealt. I don't know what I'll drop, but oh, it's not even close to time for them yet.
And how many tabbies did you need?
9. So I need 5 more. There's one.
Alright, well, go turn in what you have. So that way your inventory is empty for when nighttime comes at least.
Yep. Leave that Mr. Roo alone.
The chicken just got eaten.
Oh, I thought I saw a green butt. I was about to be all happy too. If need to, I can find, what is it, 50? Yeah. So, Gordo. Meat. Yes. Thank you.
Every other time the thing has popped up, we have not had.
Well, it's the golden one, which you need the freaking glimmering turnip for. Yay, alarms!
It's 2 o'clock.
So just wait till it's 6 o'clock. Let's see here. So yeah, 4 more and 6 phosphors. Make babies. See here, you're a regular. Get out of my inventory. So everything has favorites, as I was trying to say earlier with the Gordos. So if you feed them their favorite food, it costs half as much for them to explode.
Which is important when you realize you have to feed something 50 freaking items.
Versus 25. Because at the very beginning, you've only got a limited amount of space. Eventually you can have, what is it, like 80?
I thought it was 100.
Might be. Oh, and if you feed a Largo a plort other than his own, he will become something terrifying. Oof. That could have been very bad.
So if you start shooting stuff off the edge, you might get more kitty cats over here.
Blunk.
Those phosphors are about to start spawning soon.
Yeah. No, still only pinks? Okay. Thanks, game. Sometimes the saying, don't hate the play, hate the game, really is true. Oh, phosphorus should start spawning now. Thanks for the double jump. Well then. Missed Tabby around here somewhere. You know what? Yes, you guys should all kill each other. I'm not about to orchestrate mass genocide. What do you mean?
Something just spawned.
You heard like the little...
Yeah.
There's a phosphor.
So you know they spawn up by the house too.
Phosphors spawn everywhere at nighttime. They and anything you mix them with are the only ones that are exclusive to night. Give me a sec, I got something under my nail. That was interesting. Oh. I don't want the plorts, I want you. Get into my vacuum. Thank you.
Get in my belly!
Austin Powers, bad bastard. Beautiful. Well, that's free money for later. Right now, phosphorus, please. Thank you. That'd be great. Yes!
How many of them do we need?
5.
There's another one.
Floaty little bastards.
Eye twitching. So much eye twitching right now.
Come on. Come on. Thank you. Go die. With my luck, he'll probably float back over.
Alright, that's gonna be it for this episode.